You want some tea? You want some tea? Oh, just sit him up. Get some tea? Is that good? You get your little hand on it.
You're so cute.
He likes the tea. Oh, get you some more.
Is he blowing bubbles in it?
Uh-oh, got it all over you. Hey, hold on.
You're so friggin' cute, Brody. Woo!
You'll eat that too, huh?
What are you doing, beautiful? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yum, 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 yum.
You ready for some more tea?
Some more tea?
Oh, you're kicking away. Kicking away. Go grab, put your hands on it. There you go. Hold it. Oh, no. Don't let Mommy hold it. Oh, spilt it.
He must be full.
You got it on your bib. He likes Granny's tea better than Daddy's tea.
Yeah, too bad.
Right. Yeah, you've made a mess.